Alrighty kids, this video is designed to teach you how to use Morse code and then to have you practice your Morse code skills. Morse code is one of those basic forms of communication that pretty much you can use in any situation, from blinking your eyes, tapping a pencil, to flashing a light or a mirror. But anyways, in order to get used to Morse code and to train yourself, what you should do is you should have your Morse code paper in front of you right now. You should also have a piece of blank paper for recording what you see and hear. Now, don't try to figure out the letters as you're collecting the code or as you're recording the code. What you want to do is have your pencil ready. When the code starts, you just want to record the dashes and the dots as they come. Okay, now remember, each letter is going to be a series of dots and dashes. And then in between each letter, there'll be a short break and another letter. Then in between words, there'll be a bigger break. Okay? The other thing is you will learn that you can start, not only can you read the code, but you'll decode the code. In other words, you will start putting words together even before you finish listening to the code, such as the word dog. You might, be told, okay, we're going to send you a message about an animal, and then all of a sudden you get D and you get O, and okay, that's a three-letter word for an animal. It's dog, D-O-G. All right. So anyways, right now we're going to begin giving you some code, and you want to have your pencil ready, your Morse code translation sheet, and your scratch paper. Here we go. Let's start with the letter A. So take a look at letter A, and now watch the screen, because here comes letter A. So that was a dot and a dash. Okay, a dot and a dash. Let's take a look at letter B. Okay, letter B is going to be a dash and then 3 dots. Okay, so we're going to look at letter B. There you go, that came on pretty fast. And so you could see you had a dash and three dots. All right, let's take a look at the letter C. The letter C is going to be dash, dot, dash, dot. All right, so let's take a look at the letter C. Okay, let's look at the letter K. See what K looks like. Oh, the letter K is kind of neat. You have a dash and a dot and then a dash. So here comes letter K. All right, let's see if you can guess this letter. Okay, see if you can guess this letter. Just write down exactly what you hear. If it's a dash, draw a dash. If it's a dot, just put a dot. All right, I'll pick a letter for you. All right, here comes the letter. Okay, I'm going to repeat that for you. Here it comes again. Maybe not. Here it comes again. Same exact letter. There you go. All right, did you guess what letter it was? It was the letter L. All right, let's try another letter here. Let's try this letter. All right, here it goes. All right, let's try it again. See if you get it another time. Same letter. Maybe not. Let's give it a try. There you go, the letter W. Okay? Alright, now let's try 3 letters in a row. I'll give you a hint. Okay, these 3 letters are the most famous Morse code out there, Morse code message out there, and it has to do with when you're in trouble. Here it comes. Did you figure out what it was? It was SOS. Alright, well, now let's try another word. Let's try a 4-legged animal and see if you can figure out what 4-legged animal it is. It is an animal that many people have as a pet. Okay, here we go. Did you figure it out? It's a cat. There you go. Alright, let's try another animal. This is an animal that you would find on a farm. Okay, you ready? Here we go. Second letter. Third letter. Fourth letter. And last letter. Okay, can you figure out what animal it was? If you guessed horse, you are right. Okay, one more animal for you. Let's try this animal. This is actually an animal that's a mammal, and it is one that is very, very large. Okay? And it is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letter word. Here we go. Second letter. Third letter. Fourth letter. And final letter. There you go. Did you guess what it was? If you guessed whale, you are right. Okay? All right, we're gonna write a 2-word sentence right now. Okay? Just a 2-word message, I should say. All right? Here we go. All right, this is a 2-word message, and the first word has 2 letters, and the second word has 4 letters. Here we go. Second word. All done. Do you know what the message was? Go home. All right? Okay, let's try another message. All right? This time we will make it 3 words to figure out. All right? Here we go. I'll type it out. Okay, this is a 3-word message, and the first word has 3 letters in it. The second word has 6 letters in it, and the third word has 5 letters in it. All right, here we go. Get your pencil ready. First word. Second word, first letter. Second letter. Third letter. Fourth letter. Fifth. And last letter. Last word, first letter. Second letter. Third letter. Fourth letter. Final letter. Okay, do you know what the message was? The message was big cheese snack. Okay, hopefully kids that gave you a good idea of how to use Morse code. And now what we're going to do is we're going to set up a Morse code message to get you started on your next Connects project. Alrighty? Good luck with that, kids.